In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello cards from a CSV file. If you've got a spreadsheet of tasks and you want them to become Trello cards in a few clicks, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the exact flow, plus share helpful tips so your import goes smoothly the first time. Start by opening Trello in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your workspaces. From the Trello home screen, click Boards, then pick the board where you want your cards to appear and open it. Choose the destination carefully. Imports will create cards on the board you have open. On the board, look for the Power-Ups icon. Click it, then choose Add Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups directory. We're going to add an importer that handles CSV files, so in the search bar, type Import. In the results, find Import to Trello by Blue Cat, which supports CSV and Excel files. Click it to open the details. Now click Add to add this Power-Up to your board. You may see a confirmation. Click Add again to enable it. When prompted, click Authorize. This allows the importer to create cards on your behalf in the selected board. Take a moment to review the permissions so you're comfortable with what the tool can access. With the importer enabled, choose a file to import. This should be a CSV saved from your spreadsheet tool. For best results, make sure each row represents one card and include clear column headers. At minimum, a name or title column is essential. Optional columns like description, labels, due date, and list can help organize your cards as they come in. Keep dates in a consistent format and avoid special characters that might break CSV structure. If your file includes people or emails, be mindful of privacy and only include what you truly need. If your board has multiple lists, it's helpful to have a list column in your CSV that matches the exact list names on the board. If you don't, the importer will typically place cards in a default list and you can move them afterward. Large files can take a moment to process, so be patient while the tool reads your data and creates the cards. That's it. You've opened Trello, selected your board, added the import to Trello Power-Up, authorized it, and chosen your CSV. Once the importer finishes, scan your board to confirm titles, descriptions, and dates look correct, and you're ready to work.